Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about NEET and K-CET level coaching part from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. Subtopics: description of some important families, Solanaceae and Liliaceae, and inflorescence. Okay, now let's enter into the session. First question: choose the large family from the given. Option A, Fabaceae. Option B, Solanaceae. Option C, Liliaceae. Option D, Poaceae. The correct option for this question is option B. Let's discuss deeply about this question. Solanaceae family is considered as large family because it is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and temperate zones also. So whatever the climatic conditions, it grows very easily. That's why it is commonly called as large family, and another name is potato family. Understood? Now, second question. Find out the rare stem characteristics in Solanaceae family. So here, let's see options. Option A, hairy or glabrous. B, underground stem. C, solid or hollow. D, all the above. The correct option for this question is option D, all the above. So in Solanaceae family, stems has some specific characteristics like hairy structures on the surface. Those hairy structures helps in absorption of atmospheric moisture. Those are called as trichomes. And glabrous, they also consisting some glands on the surface. Next, underground stem like potato. Solid stems also can be seen, and even hollow stems. It means inside the some free space can be absorbed, noticed, like in tomato plants. Solid stems can be seen even in some plants like brinjal, etc. So all these are different kinds of rare characteristics to stem in Solanaceae family. Have you understood? Good. Now, next question. Solanaceae family plants are distributed at option A, tropics. B, subtropics. C, temperate. And D, all the above. Just now we had a discussion that Solanaceae family have distributed throughout the world, and it can able to survive in all types of climatic conditions like tropics, subtropics, temperate zones, etc. Understood? Now, moving to fourth question. Find out the correct pair from the given below. So here they have given ABCD. From these ABCD, only one pair is correct. Rest all three options are wrong pairs. So we need to identify which is the correct pair, right? So let's see first option, medicine, belladonna. B, spices, fumigatory. C, ornamental, tobacco. D, colchicine, aloe. So from the given ABCD options, the correct pair is option A, medicine, belladonna. Rest all three options are not correct pairs. Understood? We'll explain how come it is. Let's have a look. Spices. So spices belongs to spices example chilies, right? Fumigator example tobacco. So B option is wrong, obviously. Next, option C, ornamental. Ornamental example petunia, and tobacco is fumigatory. Understood? Next, colchicine. It's a kind of drug obtained from Colchicum autumnale. So this is not correct pair. Aloe is also medicinal plant, but not from the plant Colchicum. So B, C, D options are wrong in the given question. Only A option is correct pair, medicine, belladonna, right? Have you understood? Yeah. Now moving to fifth question. Identify the medicinal plants in Solanaceae family. Option A, belladonna. Option B, ashwagandha, option C aloe, option D both A and B. From Solanaceae family, we need to identify which are medicinal plants. Here they have given 3 medicinal plants. In those, few are belongs to Solanaceae family. So the correct option for this question is option D, both A and B. Belladonna and ashwagandha both are belongs to Solanaceae family. Understood? Aloe belongs to Liliaceae family. Is it clear? Now, moving to 6th question. Match the following. In previous NEET and K-CET level examinations, many a times they ask these type of matching questions. So, very important concept, very important way of asking also. Let's have a discussion. 6th question. Match the following. A. Petunia, spices, tobacco, sorts of food, ashwagandha, ornamentals, chili, medicine, potato, fumigatory. So in the given A, B, C, D, E, the correct option is option D. It means let's have a discussion about this question in detail. A is nothing but petunia. It is nothing but used as ornamental. So E is matching with Roman number 3 ornamentals. Next, tobacco. Tobacco is a fumigatory, fumes releasing substance. So B, tobacco, is matching with the Roman number 5. Next, C, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is matching with option 4, medicine. So ashwagandha is useful for treating the diseases like gout, GOUT, very important. So matching ashwagandha is matching with option 4, medicine. Next, option D, chilies. Chilies are matching with the Roman number 1, spices. As we know, we are using as a substance, one substance in food items, right? Next, E, potato, matching with the Roman number 2, sorts of food. As we know, we are using potato as a food resource. Matching. So the correct matching for this question is option D. Understood? Hope you are following. Now let us see 7th question. Basic petal order means. So this question is from inflorescence. Let's have a look. Option A, new flowers and buds are at bottom side. Option B, new flowers and buds are at apex side. It means top region. Option C, new flowers born at lateral side. Option D, new flowers born at all the sides. So basic petal succession arrangement of flowers is option A, new flowers and buds are at bottom side. Understood? Example we have seen in the inflorescence concept. The correct type of inflorescence is nothing but cymose inflorescence. Example, jasmine. So new buds and flowers are present at bottom side or basal side, and older flowers are present at the tip region or apex region. Understood? Yeah. Moving to 8th question. Identify the monocot plant from the following. So in the ABC options, they have given some plants. We need to identify which is monocot. It is very interesting question and logical question. See the options very carefully. There is a chance for confusion. Option A, aloe. Option B, asparagus. Option C, colchicine. So in this we need to identify which is a monocot plant. Do you know all these plants, aloe, asparagus, colchicine, all these are belongs to family Liliaceae. So Liliaceae family members are all monocots under angiosperms. Division monocotyledonate. So obviously all monocotyledonate are belongs to the family Liliaceae. Have you understood this question? Very good. Now coming to 9th question. The special inflorescence in lily family is, first of all, we need to know what is lily family. Liliaceae family is also popularly called as lily family. Understood? All the different species of lilies are included in this lily family, or also called as Liliaceae family. Belongs to monocotyledonous division under angiosperms. Let's talk about options. Option A, clusters. Option B, cymos. Option C, umbellate clusters. Option D, racemose inflorescence. So there is a special type of inflorescence in Liliaceae family. It is nothing but called as umbellate clusters. Option C. All the flowers in plants like lilies and onion, scientific name is Allium safa, are present as a umbellate cluster, as a one group. Cluster means group. The group appears just like an umbrella. So that type of arrangement of flowers is popularly called as umbellate clusters. Can be seen in Liliaceae family. Understood this explanation? Okay, moving to 10th question. Liliaceae family includes these following vegetative characters. Find out them. Okay. Option A, bulbs. Option B, combs. Option C, rhizomes. Option D, all the above. So Liliaceae family consisting some special vegetative characteristics such as bulbs. Bulbs, example, onion. Just now we had a discussion. Scientific name Allium safa. Next, corbs. Scientific name Colocasia. This is also one of the food resource used as a leafy vegetable like onions. Option C, rhizomes. Example, ginger and turmeric. So these are also food resources. So the correct option D, all the above. The correct option for this question is option D. We can able to see all the types of vegetative characteristics in Liliaceae family, such as bulbs can be seen, combs can be seen, and rhizomes also can be seen in Liliaceae family. All those are belongs to monocotyledonous, shortly called as monocots. Understood this explanation? Okay, let's go to 11th question. Find out the mismatch from the given. We need to identify mismatch from the ABCD. One is mismatched, rest of the three are correctly matched. Okay, now let's talk about options. Axile placentation, Liliaceae. So this is a correct match. In Liliaceae family, we could able to see axile placentation. Option B is Solanum tuberosum. Yeah, this is in italics. You might have observed scientific name for potato. This is also a correct match. Next, option C, Solanum nigrum. So this is the scientific name for macoy fruits, small reddish fruits. So this is also a correct match, right? Now option D, vexillary estivation, a family Solanaceae. So students, this is wrong match. Vexillary estivation can't be seen in Solanaceae family. In Solanaceae family, we can able to see valvate estivation. Got it? Vexillary estivation can be seen in Fabaceae. Understood? So the mismatch from the ABCD is option D. Have you understood? Good. Now moving to 12th question. Statement based question. This is very interesting and important method of asking. In previous NEET examination they ask the same method. Now let's have a look. Choose the correct statement from the following. Okay, they have given two statements, statement A and B. We need to identify which is correct statement from these two. Got it? Now let's talk about statement A. Statement A, Liliaceae family members has perianth tepals 6 in number, 3 plus 3, that too they are fused. For fusion the symbol is bracket. Understood? So perianth in Liliaceae family, we had a discussion in previous class. Perianth is a special characteristic. In Liliaceae family, we can't able to see the difference in calyx and corolla together present as a one single unit called as perianth. So as usual, there is no separation in sepals and petals together present as a one single part called as tepals. So tepals are 6 in number, 3 plus 3 they presents as a 3 plus 3. That too they are fused in nature. That's why bracket is present. So this statement A is absolutely correct statement. Next, let's talk about statement B. Stamens are 6. That too they are 3 plus 3 in Liliaceae family. Students, have you seen in previous class a characteristic of Liliaceae family? Stamens are absolutely 6 in number, but they are arranged as a 2 bundles. So here diadelphous nature, two bundles, 2 bunches are present for stamens, and that too they are attached to petals. So epipetalous nature can be seen, right? So statement B is also exactly correct. So now let's see options. Only statement A is correct, only statement B is correct, both the statements are correct, and last option, both the statements are incorrect. So can you identify the correct answer according to my explanation? So the correct answer is option C, both the statements are correct. Understood? Now coming to 13th question. Pick out the medicinal plants in Liliaceae family. Students, our interesting question. Let's see the important point here. Option A, belladonna. Option B, ashwagandha. Option C, aloe. Option D, all the above. And from Liliaceae family, there are few medicinal plants. What are those? And option C is correct answer for this question. Aloe belongs to family Liliaceae. The complete name is aloe vera. Have you heard? Yeah, might be you heard about this aloe vera. This aloe vera used in preparation of drugs and cosmetics, etc. So belongs to the family of Liliaceae. This Liliaceae family is also called as lily family, as we discussed in above concept. Belladonna, ashwagandha, these two are also medicinal plants. I do agree with you, but they are belongs to Solanaceae family. Have you understood this explanation? Okay, now coming to 14th question. Persistent sepals or calyx present in these plants. What are those? Let's see options. A, brinjal. Option B, tomato. Option C, chili. Option D, all the above. So the correct question for this question, the correct option is option D. Why so? What is meant by persistent sepals? The phenomenon of persistency, please make a note. The phenomenon of persistency is remaining sepals even after fertilization. Understood? So this is called as persistency. Might be you have seen sepals in brinjal, tomato, chilies also after fertilization, called as post-fertilization. Post-fertilization events as follows. Generally, stamens and petals, sepals, everything should fall down. But in the case of brinjal, tomato, chili, the sepals remained and they will be eatable even. Right? So those type of sepals are called as persistent sepals. Present in the family like Solanaceae. Remember, please make a note. Persistent sepals are present in the family Solanaceae. Brinjal, tomato, chili, all these are belongs to Solanaceae family. So the correct option for this question is option D. Next, moving to 15th question. Colchicine is a medicine used to treat. This is very high level standard question for NEET examination. So this is one important point. Please make a note, everybody. Colchicine is one important drug, can be obtained from the plant Colchicum and autumnale. This plant belongs to the family of Liliaceae, and this colchicum is used for treating the diseases. What are those diseases? Let's see options. A. Arthritis. B. Typhoid. C. Tetanus. And option D. Gout. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Gout. Understood? So now 16th question. Next question. Petunia, tulip and gloriosa are used as. So this is very interesting concept for competitive examinations. Please make sure everybody should pay 100% concentration. Option A as a food resource, option B as a medicine, option C as a ornamental, option D as a fumigatory. So petunia, tulip and gloriosa, all these are used as ornamentals. It means for decorative purpose, for decorations during marriages and any other celebrations. These flowers used as a ornamental flower. Understood? So the correct option for this question is option C. Okay, now coming to 17th question. A flower is a. This question is also from inflorescence concept. Let's have a look. Option A, modified shoot. Option B, modified stem. Option C, modified leaf. Option D, modified root. So the correct option for this question is option A, modified shoot. This is very interesting and important for competitive level examinations. A flower which we are seeing, generally it is a modified shoot. We are seeing two systems in a plant, root system and shoot system, right? In the shoot system only we are seeing the flowers and fruits in general, right? So now the shoot is modified into a flower in many plants, almost all in all the plants. Understood? So this is very important. Please remember and make a note. So the correct option is option A. Now moving to 18th question. The arrangement of flowers on the main axis is called as. This question is very important for PU board examinations and as well as competitive examinations also. This is one kind of definition. Now let's talk about options. Option A, placentation. Option B, aestivation. Option C, phyllotaxy. Option D, inflorescence. So the correct option for this question is option D, inflorescence. I will repeat this definition once again completely. Please make a note. The arrangement of flowers on the main axis is called as inflorescence. This can be also said in this way: the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is called as inflorescence. Understood? So the correct option for this question is option D. Next, 19th question. In racemose inflorescence, what kind of characteristics can be noticed? Understood? Now see options. Main axis continues to grow. Option B, flowers are born at an acropetal succession. Option C, main axis terminates in a flower. Option D, both A and B. So in racemose inflorescence, we could able to see two characteristics. One is main axis continues to grow, no end point for that. Next, flowers are born in an acropetal succession. Understood? So the correct option is for this question is option D, both A and B. So here I would like to touch a point, acropetal succession. What is meant by acropetal succession? In previous video I just showed some flowers. Hope you remembered. New buds and flowers are present at which side? They are present at the top side, apex side. Understood? So that kind of arrangement is called as acropetal succession. Understood? Now coming to the last question, final question in this video, in this session. Choose the characteristics of gynoecium in Liliaceae family. So we need to identify few characteristics of gynoecium. What are those? Option A, tricarpellary, superior ovary and trilocular with many ovules, and option D, all the above. Students, for this question, the correct option is option D. In Liliaceae family or Lily family, regarding gynecium, we are seeing all the characteristics. What are those? Tricarpels. Three carpels are present. Of course, in the center of the floral diagram, we have seen in the previous video, superior ovary. Ovary is present on the top side, and rest of the all floral parts are present below the ovary, since it is called as superior ovary. Trilocular. Three carpels are present and three locules are also present. The chamber is scientifically called as locule. So how many locules are present? Three locules are present with many ovules. In each locule many are present, more than one. Right, so option D, all the above. So the correct option for this question is option D, all the above. Hope you understood today's session. With this, we have completed this session and this chapter morphology also. We are going to discuss a new chapter in next video. Thank you one and all.